Right guys, today I'm going to show you what camera and audio recorder I use when I go out and film my bike videos. So I just use a standard GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition, and I also use a ZOOMH1N video recorder or audio recorder. So the settings for both the audio recorder and the camera, I'll just post photos on the screen. It's quite hard to pick up with this camera, so I'll post them on the screen now. So now once you've done your recordings and you need to go and put it on your computer, just get your SD card reader or whatever it is you have, plug it into your computer, and I use Microsoft OneDrive, which is the best way of getting the audio I've found anyway. So plug your card in and go onto OneDrive and click on upload, and then mine's on my files because I've not downloaded to the computer yet. Then you find your latest file, which is number 7 for me. This is just a random file I've made. Open it up in OneDrive. It'll then say uploading. Obviously if you've got a long video it's going to take ages. Mine was only 10 seconds, so it's gone straight away. So then once your video is into OneDrive, you can then shut that off and you can go back to your iPhone. So once you've been out and done your bike video then as well, you plug your SD card into one of these. This is just an SD reader that goes straight into the bottom of your iPhone or iPad. So plug that in. Once you've plugged it, it'll come up saying import in the bottom right corner. I've already imported it, but I will import it again, so you just click import all or import whatever videos you've got on there you want. Then once that's done, that's saved to your camera roll then.
So then what you do is you open up InShot and you go to your video, and obviously as I've said, you click the horn to match them up. So you find where you click the horn. I click mine here, so find the horn. I make sure it's about mid on the horn just to make it more accurate. So get that, and then what you do is you split the video, delete this first half. I'm going to just move that back slightly. Right, perfect. So I forgot to say as well at this point, once you've matched up where the horn is, what you do is you click on the video and you click onto sound, or the volume, sorry, and what you do is you mute all the clips, because if you don't mute all the clips, you're going to have your background noise as well as the audio, and it's just going to sound not very good. So then, once you've got to that point, you've uploaded your files to OneDrive, open up OneDrive on your phone or iPad. So here's mine, Zoom007. So what you do is click the 3 buttons, and you'll go open in another app. It'll then download it. If it's a big file, it's going to take a while, but then what you do is you open it up into InShot. It'll then come up as a music file, click OK, boom, it's done then. Then what I do is, so obviously I don't want to upload that 4-second video, I want to upload my original. So what you do is go to here, so I'm going to select my original one. I then find the horn on this one, which is there, so I then drag it to that point. There we are, I found the beat, put that to the original, and as you can see, that's synced up now, so that's it. That's your video done then. You can then click this, set your resolutions to whatever you want. I always set it to the highest and click save. It'll then upload your video. This is like a 20-minute video, so it's going to take a while, so I'm not going to get it finished. But once that's done, it'll save straight to your camera roll, and you can go from there and do whatever you want with the video. So thanks for watching. If you want to see any of my bike videos, just have a look on my channel, see what you think, and if you like them, then subscribe or like, whatever you want to do. Cool. Cheers.